number of occasions, with NASA itself dismissing the object as a lost piece of space debris, yet the location of its orbit, its apparent fixed stationary position, and indeed its murky backstory, dating back as far as 1899, would disagree. The first popular mention of the satellite's existence dating back to the exploration of natural extraterrestrial repeating sources, heard by Nikola Tesla during his 1899 radio experiments, although its mysterious emissions were also reportedly heard during the observation of long-delayed echoes by amateur radio operator Jürgen Hals in Oslo in 1928, all later dismissed as pulsars. Yet in 1954, researcher Donald Keyhoe told newspapers that the United States Air Force had reportedly located it along with another satellite orbiting the moon. However, at that time, no country had the technology to launch such a satellite. In 1973, Scottish author Duncan Lunan analyzed the long-delayed radio echoes received by Hals and others and concluded that they originated from a 13,000-year-old alien probe located in an orbit around the Earth's moon. He suggested that the probe may have originated from a planet located in the solar system of the star Epsilon Boötis. Lunan would predictably later retract his publicly made conclusions, saying that he had made outright errors and that his methods had been, quote, unscientific. And in 1998, during the STS-88 mission, we would finally catch a glimpse of this elusive object, one reported as existing for over a century, yet continually denied. Now that its existence was backed up by photographic evidence, the storyline as to its origins changed. These original aforementioned reports are now discredited as never existing, and in its place, the photographs are of a thermal blanket. This explanation now allowing for the object to be classified as man-made, and indeed of human origins. The chronology of this storyline shows a mysterious unknown object, one emitting radio bursts subsequently dated as many thousands of years old, turning to actual reports of its existence and location being made via radar and other detective practices, to it thusly being photographed. Ultimately, these original reports disbanded in favor of it being a space blanket, one lost during a manned space mission. This story shares all the hallmarks of a cover-up, a blanket which somehow found its way into a fixed near-polar orbit, something which we still find difficult to achieve using rockets. Why would there be reports of ancient signals coming from this object? Why would they be dated to over 13,000 years old? Why are there initial reports of two satellites? Could the second be the Crystal Castle previously covered? Did this craft communicate an ancient star map, maybe a celestial precession, allowing accurate dating of the messages? Eventually, NASA would make the page which hosted the pictures inoperable, further stoking the flames of a conspiracy. Perhaps they realized they couldn't discredit the object's existence any longer. What is the Black Knight? Is it really a piece of space debris? Or perhaps something far more profound?